Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I am your science teacher. I am Shagufta Makbool. Please open this book of Cambridge Inspiring Science for grade 1. Please open page number 50 of this lesson. What date is today? Today is Friday, 22nd January 2020. Today our topic is safety. I am going to revise back exercise of this lesson and main points of this lesson. Before starting safety, what is safety? Safety means staying away from danger or injury. If you are at school and you are at home, you use different kinds of things. There are many things that you use at home and in the school. So when you are using these kinds of things, you are using things, you will have to be careful. You should always try to be safe and don't hurt yourselves or others. First one, when you are at home, look at this picture. I told you many times, when you are at home, this is shelf. If you want to take something, so you don't climb on shelves. Ask your parents, ask your brother, ask your sister to help you in taking these kinds of things. Next one is don't touch electric wires, switches and plugs. It can be dangerous for you. It is not good for you. You can get an electric shock. Like, look at this girl is playing with sharp objects, so you don't need to play with sharp objects. You may cut yourself. Next one is don't lean out of the window. You can fall from this window after losing your balance. Look at this girl. Next one is don't lean out of the window. Look at here, you can fall from this window after losing balance. Look at this girl. Don't play near the fire and don't play with fire or matchsticks. Look at here, you can burn your hands. After burning, the burn caused by fire are painful. Look at here, you will feel pain after burning your hand. Look at this, don't play with fire, and after burning your hand, and you will feel pain and you will start to cry. That is why the mother of this girl is coming towards her and she is saying to this girl, don't play with fire. Next one is, look at here, next one, in the school you don't need to run in the classroom. You may hit the desk and hurt yourself. When you are running, you can fall on the ground, and you can when you are pushing other boy, you can hurt your friend. So you don't need to run around in the classroom. Next one is, look at this boy. What is this boy doing? This boy is running and jumping on the staircase. This boy can fall, so it is very dangerous. A fall from the staircase, it could be very painful for this boy. Look at this one. This is also not a good thing. This thing can get seriously hurt this girl, and this boy is poking with pencil. Look at this. So you don't need to poke anyone with pencil or sharp objects. Next one is, when you are going outside, when you are on a school picnic, you have to always be with your friends and always be with your class fellows and teachers. This man is giving sweet to this girl, so you don't need to take sweets. So because this is a stranger, this is an unknown person, so you don't need to take anything from this man. It is very dangerous, it is not good for you. Never go anywhere with stranger, and don't need to talk with this unknown person. Okay students, fill in the blanks are given here. I am helping you, and I am helping you in learning and doing this. We should not dash wire, switches and plug. We should not dash things. We should not, what is this girl? We should not touch. 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 You will write here touch. We should not touch. 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 Wire, switches and plugs. Dash caused by fire are painful. What is painful? That is caused by fire. Burn. After burning her hand, this girl will feel pain. So we can say burns caused by fire, burn because of fire are painful, and you will feel pain. You will write here burns, B spelling of BURNS, burns. Next one is we should never go anywhere with a unknown person. Unknown person mean with a, we are talking about this man. This man is a stranger. You will write here stranger, STRANGER. This man is stranger. Next one, when you are sitting in a school bus, so you don't need to, look at this, when you are sitting in a school bus, this is a school bus, you don't need to put your hand or head out of the window and out of the bus window. This is very dangerous for this girl. This can be painful, and it is very dangerous. So when you are in school bus, don't throw things out of the bus. Don't try to climb into a moving bus. Next one is when you are on the road, you will have to cross the road. You will have to always use the zebra crossing for crossing the road. Next one is turn page. Play. When you are in the playground, you don't need to play on the road. You have to play in the playground. Wear your shoes while playing. When you are playing, look at here, come back this blanks. You will have to look at these, fill in the blanks. You will have to revise these blanks. You should not use your food pencil. Definitely pencil. We chew food. We take a short, we take bite, and we chew food. We bite our food. Safety means staying away from school or danger. Definitely danger. You will have to select this one. If you touch electric wires, you may get a fall and you may get a shock. You should not dash out of the window. Lean out of the window. You should not take half of your body out of the window. If your mother is cooking, stay away from the stove toy. Definitely stay. If your mother is cooking, you are playing with toy, it is safe for you, but when your mother is cooking, stay away from the stove. You should never talk to parents. We talk to our parents all the time. We talk to our parents, but we don't need to talk to strangers. You should not try to climb into a dash bus, moving bus or standing bus. We should not climb into a moving bus. When the traffic light is green, it means you will have to go. You don't need to wait. So today you will have to learn and revise, fill in the blanks of lesson safety. Thank you so much.